Jim Dzakowic, and I just purchased a 2019 Volkswagen Arteon. Salesperson was David Ruzhansky, and I had a great experience with him and the other members of the sales team. They found the car I was looking to purchase. I was actually replacing a car that got T-boned, so they were able to find the exact car I wanted in the color and interior color I wanted in the trim package. Everything went very smoothly, and I was kept in the loop as soon as the car was available on the lot. Really just working with the people here, just everyone made it easy on me to complete my purchase. It was really easy. This is the third vehicle I bought from IDE, so I knew where I wanted to come, and like I said, I was replacing a car, so I knew where I wanted to be.